Can't sleep well and suffer from insomnia, here is the easiest solution you can find. Backed by doctors and science, this single-ingredient infusion will provide the necessary serotonin release for a good night's sleep. Boil the peel of a banana in half a liter of water and drink a cup half an hour before going to bed. This will be enough, as it contains a substance called tryptophan, an essential amino acid that increases serotonin release. Additionally, it is rich in magnesium and potassium, minerals linked to quality sleep. This infusion also helps counteract fluid retention, normalize blood pressure, and improve muscle contractions. You can also add a few cinnamon sticks to this infusion to enhance the aroma and flavor. If you want to sweeten it, add a little honey. Rate this recipe from 1 to 10 and let me know how much you liked it. See you next time.